500 push-ups a day. The ultimate challenge for building upper body. Performing 500 push-ups a day is an extremely high volume and intense exercise regimen. While it can lead to notable muscle definition and strength gains, it's crucial to approach such a challenge with caution and consider several factors. Overtraining risk. Doing 500 push-ups daily may put a significant strain on your muscles, joints, and overall body. Overtraining can lead to fatigue, decreased performance, increased risk of injury, and other negative health effects. Muscle imbalances. Relying solely on push-ups for such high volume can potentially create muscle imbalances. A well-rounded workout routine should include exercises targeting various muscle groups to ensure balanced development. Rest and recovery. Muscles need time to repair and grow stronger. Training intensely every day without sufficient rest may hinder your progress and increase the risk of overuse injuries. Individual variability. The ability to perform such a high volume of push-ups varies among individuals, based on their fitness level, experience, and overall health. What might be suitable for one person may not be for another. Quality over quantity. It's essential to prioritize proper form and technique over the sheer number of repetitions. Maintaining good form ensures effectiveness and minimizes the risk of injury. Progression. If you decide to attempt a high-volume challenge like this, it's crucial to progress gradually. Starting with a lower volume and gradually increasing over time allows your body to adapt. Before embarking on such an intense exercise routine, it's advisable to consult with a fitness professional or a healthcare provider. They can provide guidance based on your individual fitness level, goals, and any potential health considerations. Additionally, incorporating a variety of exercises into your routine and allowing for proper rest and recovery will contribute to a more balanced and sustainable approach to fitness.